My name is Marcella Kriebel, and I'm an artist with a background in cultural anthropology. I'm excited to share my second illustrated cookbook. This collection of recipes is comprised of over 100 dishes I learned cooking with people throughout Cuba. Each section is filled with first-person narratives and stories that span from seafood in Havana to the invention of rum. During my trips to Cuba, I was immersed in culinary traditions and food experiences, always with a sketchbook in hand. I learned how to make an array of different recipes, classics like lechon asado, and distinctive dishes like calalú, a green stew with coconut milk typical in the east coast of Cuba. I interviewed, illustrated, cooked, and researched, and the result is a book that hopefully satisfies in many ways. When people open it up for the first time, I want them to feel inspired by the hand-drawn visuals and excited to go into the kitchen to try something new. I hope that this book is a way into Cuba, a bridge to the incredible people of the island, and a way to learn about their culture through the lens of food.